Hello everyone, I'm Louis from Jinjiang Jishen Technology. In today's highly competitive market, product differentiation has become the key to business success. Our company's ability to customize product is a key factor in providing you with this differentiation. We can provide OEM service and even samples. For example, if you need mass customization, we can provide you with a simple image of the product logo. After making sure it's okay, we will let's print it. First, we deeply understand your business needs and then use professional design and exquisite craftsmanship to create unique product for you. We pay attention to every details, from material selection to exquisite packaging, and strive to provide customers with a high quality, the high certification customized product. Secondly, we actively use the latest technology and the highest quality material to ensure that your product always stay ahead of the curve. Finally, we'll always pursue excellent service, from solution construction to customized production. We will provide you with full support to ensure that you can enjoy professional service no matter when and where. I'm Louis. If you like our videos, please follow us. Thank you.